Hi guys, it's Beth. Welcome to my channel and welcome to the Joy of Blue collaboration. This is a collaboration hosted by Sarah over at Crafting and Relaxing here on YouTube, and she loves the color blue, and so she has created a collaboration to encourage others to create with the color blue as well. So anything goes as far as what you create with within this collaboration. It just has to incorporate blue. So this month I made a wooden decor piece. It also incorporates some paper, pattern papers, and some vinyl. I'm in craft show mode, so for those of you who might be new to my channel or just popping in, haven't been here for very long, my husband and I own a business and we make holiday and home decor and other gift items, and for most of our items they incorporate both wood and paper, which is kind of our two loves. He's the woodworker, I'm the paper crafter. We've meshed those together to create some projects that we both end up collaborating on, if you will. So we have a handmade business, we have an online presence, as well as whenever other than in 2020, we do craft shows locally. And so as of now, all craft shows are on, so fingers crossed they stay that way. But I'm in craft show mode. Our first one is in less than a month, and we have a bunch coming up this fall. So I decided to create a block set with some blue patterned paper, and this says "Dream Big, Little One." And it would look better if you could see it straight on, but with my camera orientation, it's hard to do that. So for the first block, I did use a dark gray pattern paper, and these are just 1x3s, I believe, cut down, sanded, stained, and then I applied paper with Mod Podge, added some vinyl, and then sealed them. And so I did a dark gray pattern with white vinyl for the very top block that says Dream. The middle block has a navy and white chevron pattern paper with I would have liked to have done a darker gray, but I was out of darker gray, so it's kind of a medium gray vinyl that says Big, and then the bottom block is a navy polka dot pattern, and it just says Little One. So this would be cute for a little boy's nursery. It would make a great shower gift. So I've done these in the past, but I didn't have any in stock right now, so I decided to go ahead and create one so I can have one in stock, at least one in stock for our craft shows this fall. But anyway, that is my project for the Joy of Blue. There are a bunch of other collaborators that will be listed in the description box below, and there is such a great variety of crafts within this collaboration. Not everybody does the same thing. There's just a huge variety of paper crafts, some great ideas, and it's all based on the color blue. So anything goes. You don't know what you're going to find any given month on what people have created. So please be sure to check out the other collaborators. And again, they are linked in the description box below. And I thank you guys so very much for your time today, and hope you all have a very crafty day.